Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making honey garlic salmon. I've been wanting to eat more seafood, but I feel like seafood is intimidating, so let's do an episode on seafood. We're starting with 2 cloves of garlic that I'm going to press. You could mince it, but I'm going to press it because pressing garlic is more garlic per garlic. Now we're going to salt and pepper our salmon. Over here on the stovetop, my cast iron's been heating. Medium. Dropping a tab of butter in. That's 1 tablespoon. Adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gonna take the sides we seasoned. Put them face down. Face, and I guess it doesn't have a face. Season side down. Also, if you see any bones sticking out, just make sure you avoid those when you're eating. That's all. And we're gonna let that go for 5 minutes on the timer. Season the other side. Roll your lemon. We're going to go ahead and cut her in half. If you're doing 4 salmon steaks, you're going to need both halves. I'm doing 2, so I'm just using 1. This was supposed to be a blackened salmon episode, but I went to 2 grocery stores and nobody had blackening powder. And this recipe is so easy, I don't have anything to talk about, which is a good problem to have. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip them. Lovely. Now we're throwing in our garlic, juicing our half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, go ahead and add a pinch of red pepper. Kind of a big pinch, that's more of a half teaspoon. Okay, garlic's starting to look soft. Gonna go ahead and spoon this over the fish. And we're cooking it another 5 minutes until it's cooked through. There we go. Not bad for 15 minutes on a weeknight. Let's see how it is. Looks cooked through. A little bit of bones. Watch out for that. Little sweet. Get a hit of acid with the lemon juice. Little fruitiness there. And garlic at the end. I like this. I will make it again. I recommend you make it. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.